Best Amazon products for this month. This amazing car phone holder is a really useful gadget for your car. It keeps your phone in a spot where you can easily see it while driving. This crazy small tripod is compact, spring-loaded, and rotates on a mini ball head. Gets sized thermal camera, pops right into your iPhone, and allows you to see the temperature differences even through your walls. This is a couch console which can store your food and your drinks. And it has an anti-spilling compartment, so you never make a mess. It has a bunch of different attachments and a storage drawer with a built-in charger. This compact laser-level cube super portable and includes a push pin for easy mount, AA battery, and comes with a case that's a charger, Bluetooth controller, and tripod all in one. A retractable 3-in-1 charging cable with iPhone, micro, and Type-C. It extends up to 4 feet long and retracts down for tangle-free portability. This drink holder can hold up to 5 different types of beverages, and it dispenses it like a vending machine. These are disposable air fryer plates. You don't have to wash the inside of your air fryer ever again. This is a nuts flowy which dispenses a small amount of food every time you push down. If you lose these back clips a lot, get these replacement ones. You can use them to keep your bread or any bag of food fresh.